My son bought a kayak and we are on our way to have a day at Weeden Island. He got us out here in the rain.
You need to tell them. I don't want to be in the rain. Don't worry. We'll get you a pillow. Oh, we don't have pillows.
I think it needs to be inflated more. Yeah, I probably need to inflate
I can't say I want to go.
Did you get the thing? No, get the thing.
Yeah.
I'm going to be out here.
Can
I hold him? It's out here.
Here.
But Mom, the current don't seem like it's really nice.
Hold it.
No.
Yeah, it looks like it's blowing it this way.
Hold on to it so I can get my other paddle up in there. The current ain't leaving nothing though. You thought it was
I don't know how it is when you're kayaking in the rain.
It's not
I just hear bad things about it. So.
Then where's the crocodile? Alligator. I mean, where everything is.
They said there's no alligator in here. Everybody else is going fishing right
Remember
now.
you said the sign has a crocodile.
Look, they're over there on the kayak is all the way that way.
That's it.
But they're closer to, I think they're fishing too though.
I'll go closer right here.
Javachi, make sure you hold on to him.
Can we try?
Yeah, Mom needs to get that freaking one thing though. The thing so you don't lose the paddle.
Yeah. But so who's all getting on?
Everybody?
I'm not getting on right now.
No, I'm not getting on.
Huh? Hold on. Are you trying to get off?
I want to get off too.
Oh.
Wow.
So y'all could just chill in the car because we was gonna be gone for like a little minute.
What? It's raining.
Break the women, you can't even.
AK's not getting by.
He's good. He's coming this way.
Oh, AK swim.
I know.
AK, you swim. You swimmy. I think you want to take a break and then like. You're gonna make me swim too, but I don't want to swim.
Taking our dog AK to the waters. This is his first time swimming and his first time being on a kayak. He is such a kid. He loves swinging. He loves the playground. He loves doing all types of stuff. However, this is a farm dog. He is so energetic and friendly. He is going to come up to you with a big smile, waggling his butt, his tail, and his whole back behind because he is so excited. He is a happy dog as well as he's a farm dog. So he is wanting to run on acres of land. He wants to herd the animals. He wants to fight off venom, I think it's venom or whatever type animals. Like he's that dog.
Okay, go. He hates water.
AK, you riding?
That's not fair.
AK!
I could no.
He never been on it before. We all been on it.
What?
You riding AK? Hey! Hey!
Don't worry, AK.
He like, oh hell no.
Do not jump off, AK.
He got some jacket, but I don't know how that works. We ain't test the jacket yet.
Oh, I see kayakers down here. It looks like a good, like a trail or something. We should all go, Bob.
Wow. That was sweet. When I do it bad or wrong. When I do it bad or wrong, what I did, Mom? Do it too bad, rough. Do it too and a bunch of watch there. Everybody's fail. Everybody's boys fail. Now where are those singing cuz? Got that kayaking on?
Get his nails off of that thing. Go get it.
I can't get that thing.
No, you have to get it.
Hold up.
AK, sit down. Go get, yeah.
One paddle, how am I
Yeah, you could get it on this side. Oh, I don't know.
I'm gonna have to take my paddle out. Hold on, let me get AK.
Here, excuse me, baby girl. Back up.
Take this, man.
Okay, go.
Right. I'm gonna need to
Oh,
take the paddle.
Oh, his leash.
Please don't let it go.
Okay.
Okay, hold it tight. Don't let it go.
It's floating away.
We're gonna get this paddle. I know, right?
Okay, chill out. Grab it.
Hold on.
Go to one side of it.
Wow.
Here, let me hold him. If he's gonna get in, you could get in. Yay!
Mom.
Got it.
Mom. I don't want to get on. Bye, AK.
Why we start?
Bye, yourself, AK.
Hey.
You wanna come though? Like I'm starting to rethink.
He's okay. He's okay.
You ready, Smitty Smith? Ready? Aww. You're gonna make me swim too. But I don't want to swim.
We started right here, or they did. Then they went all the way around, and here they are.
And this, oh my gosh,
What?
this thing.
Look at that. Somebody said they're gonna help us out with one of these. I can't wait. Today we really supposed to be fishing. You see it's raining. It's raining. It's raining. My son is a Pisces. He loves the water. And I'm a Leo, so I'm over here getting my fire put out. But I'm here, baby. I'm here.
I hate rainy days because people get wet. I see some little things. You have it like squid.
Y'all not going too far.
I'm wet now.
It's raining harder.
No, he's not.
I just don't like it. Oh my God.
How did I do that?
You want to go so bad, don't you, baby?
I can wake it up.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to go? You want to go? You want to swim? How did I do that? Did I just like jump off?
Yeah, he did.
now we need to turn.
How long are you even gonna take to get back? Man, I want to get on, Jetman. I just want to get on.